Shikhar bandh is the highest point of the unique heritage town Ramgarh Shekhawati. Shikhar bandh is also the spot where the outstanding Veda Mandir, built by Jainarayan Poddar in the 1800s, was constructed to fulfill the aspirations of the great Mahatama Kaluram ji Maharaj, who was the guru of the Poddar family and indeed of the people of Ramgarh Shekhawati. At this highest point of Ramgarh Shekhawati was then built this magnificent Veda Mandir, a temple where there are no deities, only knowledge, the knowledge of the Vedas. This 1.5 century old temple was long forgotten and was left to the elements to decay and go into oblivion. Very few people even knew about this. Even people living in the town had no idea what this temple looked like and where it was. Finally, after 1.5 centuries, we have now rediscovered the Vedic temple, and with the efforts of INTAC and of Shruti Foundation, we are slowly reviving this temple by indigenous knowledge systems. We are restoring this magnificent temple complex, which has the central Vedic temple, the whole heritage building which was used for Vedic learning, and the magnificent heritage well, which also had the sarang, where bullock carts used to pull the water out of the well. Today, we are at a point where the restoration has begun, but we need to support the entire resurrection, the rejuvenation, and the celebration of learning in this great height of Ramgarh Shekhawati. We need your participation, we need your support. The Vedaranya Initiative, the Vedaranya Heritage Hospitality, the Vedaranya Heritage and Healing Festival is organized not only to celebrate the great heritage of Ramgarh Shekhawati, but also to resurrect this great epitome of learning, this one and only Veda temple in India and perhaps the world, where no deities but only knowledge resides. This time, the entire Vedaranya Heritage and Healing Festival will be organized at the premises of the Veda Mandir, the Veda temple, to celebrate the restoration that has begun and to continue to support the restoration that is needed to make this a thriving spot of learning, of patronage of the arts, of patronage of architecture, and most of all, the regeneration of the great Upanishadic and Vedic philosophies and other forms of the arts and learning which have been forgotten in the sands of time. Come, walk with us, support us, and celebrate with us.